Welcome back, ladies and gentlemen. Say bye, monkey. Bye, Paul. It is, I don't know if you can just see outside, we have got quite a bit of snow. If you just see the roof here, whoops, daisy. Absolutely covered in snow. Well, it was. I put the stove on, wood burner, and it's clearing it up nicely now. So yeah, first of all we have my verbena that I potted up the other day. These are all doing really well. The bees and butterflies are really good flowers, these. Really nice. Verbena, Bonanaris. There. Still got the spuds to plant up, which I need to do. Come down here. These are my leftover delphiniums. Just want to show you how things are going. Nice and warm in there. Down at the bottom here. Lovely. We come up here. We have my delphiniums. Here we have self-seeded pansy, viola. Looking really nice. All on delphiniums looking really well. Come down here, we have in here tomatoes and chilies, and then at the front here lobelia and galaderia. I always pronounce that wrong, sorry about that, folks. And then the rest of my delphiniums here, which I'm going to start feeding next couple of days. If we come down here, we have all the lids have been taken off now, but I don't know if you just see just mouse damage, the mice digging in. So here we have zinnias and Gadisha that are not doing that well because I don't know if you just see the tops have been chewed off there. Then we have the dahlias there, cactus variety, black beauty at the back. Here at the front we have polyanthus mixed, so they're growing really well. They need a feed that'll really darken the leaves there. Then we have penstemon in the middle. Then at the back we have some carnations that are growing really well. With the grow lights, I've got 6, I think the 58 watts or 52 watts each LED battens. Then we have here, these are my plug begonias from last year. They're coming back nicely now. And then we have some geraniums, perennial, there. They're all growing really well. And then we have some bee balm. And all these are growing really well as well. So all of them are growing really excellent. Come down here, we have some gypsophilia there, a few petunias in the middle, and then echinacea to the left. At the front here we have dahlia black beauties. Just need to pinch that off there. These got frost damage because I had the lid off one night and I didn't put wood burner on. But they produce little tubers, so they've gone back nicely, which is great. Then we have some sweet peas in the middle there, and then dahlia called Jamaica, that's growing nicely. And then at the back we have, I think that's Gadisha, what's that called now? Arboreteas. They're all growing really nicely, pleased with those. And then we have some genums. These are perennial, and these produce really nice, like probably half metre to a metre long stems, with beautiful coloured flowers on the end. They're all great. Then in here we have some hosta seeds that have not really germinated at all yet, so we'll leave those. Then we come up here, we have my strawberries from Wilco's, 3 bare root plants, and they're all growing really nicely. So yeah, that's everything showing and growing in my greenhouse. If you want to ask me a monkey any questions, please don't hesitate to ask, folks. If you like my videos, please subscribe. And as always, happy sowing, happy snowing, happy growing. Thank you very much for watching, everybody, and please keep safe. Thank you. Bye.